Hello there YouTube, if you are watching this video you are probably wondering, well how do you use spirit gum? Well, it's pretty easy. Spirit gum is awesome, but if you're using spirit gum you always need to have the spirit gum remover along with also the spirit gum. So how exactly do you use these? Well, spirit gum is interesting in the fact that what you can do with it and how it works is you put a little bit down, and the way that you activate it or get it more sticky is by actually going and tapping on it. This is the only way that you're going to get it a little bit more sticky, and you can hear it now. So now it is pretty sticky and you can stick usually lighter objects onto it, which we're going to use some of these makeup blenders to go and stick down. Spirit gum is pretty easy to also go and remove in the case of if you've put an object onto your face or any portion of your body, you usually just use the remover and it'll pretty much come off right away. So there you go. I have these two sponges that are now stuck to my face. So let's get this off. And what you do is normally you will use the little applicator that is in here, which is a brush in this case. Put down a couple of applications. So that's one. We're gonna wipe the area. It's still a little bit sticky, and that's how you know that you still have some of this on your skin. That's two. Let's see. And all of the stickiness is gone. Normally it only takes 1 or 2 layers of this to go and remove it. So spirit gum is really honestly just great for going and sticking smaller prosthetics, kind of like maybe a sponge like this that kind of makes me look like a unicorn, onto any portion of your skin that you'd like to go and put that onto. If you want something that's a little bit more heavy duty, Pros-Aid is normally the thing to go with, but they're completely and totally different with how you do remove them and also what they can go and handle. Or in my case, what you use spirit gum for is sticking a bunch of sponges onto my face. If you'd like to watch my special effects makeup tutorials, you can find some of them here, along with also you can find them over on my profile. If you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye. Oh.